Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 191, number of 1 bits. We're told that we're given a positive integer n and we need to write a function that returns the number of set bits in its binary representation, also known as the Hamming rate. So in this example we're given 11, the output is 3 because the input binary string, basically 11 corresponds to the binary string 1011 and 1011 has 3 set bits, so the Hamming rate is 3. So we return 3. In this example, 1 to 8 has only one set bit in its binary representation, so we just return 1. And we're given another example here where we have 31 bits, so 30 set bits in proper terms. So how can we solve this problem? Well, it's an easy problem and it's quite simple once you understand how basic binary operations work, but let's just hop straight into the code. So we want to store our count, which is the Hamming rate, at first initially being 0, and we're going to say while n. So while the number is not 0, we still have numbers in n, so we haven't reached the leftmost bit. So while n is not 0, if the rightmost bit, and we're going to do an AND bitwise operation, we're going to say if n and 1. So if the rightmost bit is 1, it will return 1. So this if statement will pass, and we can basically just say count plus equals 1. And then after we finish this if statement, whether it runs or not, we'll set n equal to n bitwise shift by 1. So we shift. So let's say we've got 101. We shift by 1, and now we'll have 101. Also 1011 will become 101. Then we shift again, we'll get 10. Then we shift again, we'll get 1. And then we shift again and we'll get 0, where our while loop will end. And then all we have to do now is return our count. So let's submit our code, let's make sure it works. And we can see it works and it passes all test cases and it's super optimal. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at an O log n time complexity because of the nature of this problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.